In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add difficulty faces in Geometry Dash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, levels in Geometry Dash will have difficulty faces attributed to them. This is a quick way to tell the difficulty of the level at a glance. Now you might be curious how you can customize the difficulty phase of a level that you make. If you look through the settings of your level, you won't be able to find the option to choose the difficulty phase. This is because the way that the system works, you will not be able to choose them manually. Basically, anytime someone clears a level of yours, they will be able to rate it by giving it stars, and also rate the difficulty of your level. After enough players have played through your level and rated it, then the difficulty phase will be assigned automatically. It can go all the way up to Demon difficulty, which are exclusive to specific levels, but in general you will have easy, normal, hard, and so on. So all that you have to do is publish your level, wait for people to play through it, and after they vote or rate your level, then the difficulty phase will be automatically assigned. If you want to have fun creating your own difficulty phases, you can look for the Geometry Dash difficulty phase maker on this website. As you can see, this is a very cool way to change and customize difficulty phases. Sadly, you cannot import these into the game, but as I've said before, it is a fun way to pass the time and see what faces you can come up with. You can change the color of the difficulty phase here, change the brightness, and basically make your own. It is very fun to mess around, so I highly recommend you look for this difficulty phase maker. But in game, it is going to be on automatically, so I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.